each one of you. I would sincerely request each one of you to seriously switch off your mobiles. We are really going to have a really interesting session. Here is a power-packed panel, the who's who of the retail industry. And there is something for everyone on this panel, whether you are a small retailer, whether you are in your startup phase, whether you are big retailer, I think whether you're looking for FDI, private equity, whether you're looking for borrowings, I think there is a discussion for everyone. So I think we are really obliged to have such a fantastic panel, and I'm personally obliged to this panel, which I'm sure it's not going to be an easy task. There are going to be views flowing from all sides. So straight away, let me take a deep dive into the subject. I think I was thinking about this, and it is so interesting. Retailers want money. There are people who are ready to fund retail business. Then what is the problem? So the problem here is the regulatory regime around it is so complex, which really creates a gap. And that is where there is some kind of imbalance created, and unique structures are required to possibly get the funding. Also, there are different challenges, different kinds of fundings which are required by a company which is in startup phase, which is in expansion phase, which is in a mature kind of a phase. And again, depending on the precise model, the funding requirements could be different. Whenever it comes to funding, we generally think one thing, FDI. But I'm sure this panel will throw open many more alternatives to you where you can think beyond FDI. However, it is interesting to know that for a topic for which country fought in the parliament and on television for maybe 2 years and very forcefully for 1 year, we haven't yet seen even a single FDI approval till now in multi-brand retail. I'm talking of multi-brand retail. So with that interesting background, let me start the discussion, and let me invite views first from each of the panelists here on, in their view, what is the general funding environment in India and what is the funding appetite in India, especially when it comes to retail. So Atul, would you like to start?
Retail funding, to my mind, is a challenge because the balance sheet of retail, if you talk about an asset, what is the asset that I have? Is a refrigerator, a table, a chair, a shelf. That's it. Unless I am investing in real estate investment and then funding of real estate itself throws up a number of regulatory issues. So whilst that is